Hello guys, in this video you will see how I practice English speaking on daily basis because I don't have so much time to practice in a or on a system. This is why whenever I feel free and I think yes I should make a video while I will speak only in English and I will think and I will push my mind to think in English only until I speak in English only. So this is how I practice and this is my daily routine. I never skip any day. You know, this is because if you want to speak, I listen the content and every day because I watched many videos on Instagram and YouTube as well, and I usually watch podcast in English only. So it's my ear is used to in English and my mind ready to understand in English, but I want to speak in English. For this, I need to speak and I need to train my mouth to speak. Even though I know English, I understand English and I understand what people say in English. I understand. But when I communicate with them in English, my mind sometimes gets freeze and my mind don't give the words in English to reply, we can say. This is why it is necessary for us, for all, that we should practice on daily basis and we should at least 10 minutes practice on daily basis is necessary for train your mind and train your mouth and mind connection is very important because your tongue, I guess, until your tongue is not used to those words, your tongue sometimes gets flipped because of and slipped as well because of if you want to pronounce any word in English, sometimes you think like my tongue is not used to those words and your tongue got flipped. And in the morning I wake up and I go to the Malvi Nagar and to meet SI and his residence. I went to his residence to meet him, who is in SI rank in police, Delhi police, and Malvi Nagar. I went to in the morning, Malvi Nagar, and then I go to the Pol Pehladpur today. This is why this is people say on what topic should I practice on. Whatever you are doing in your day, just speak on it. This is the actual topic you have to speak on and share your journey, what you are doing in your whole day and what you did today. This is the this kind of topic you all have to speak on. And I go to the Pol Peladpur to meet a client, but client didn't meet because of the client address is escaped. Then I go to the another client which is in railway colony and the same place Pol Peladpur, and he doesn't meet as well because I called him and on call he says my son is sick, so I am in hospital and I will pay the amount of your bank within 2 or 3 days. So I just say okay, no problem. I just come to verify ki and want to share the status about payment to the bank because we are a corporate lawyer and this is my duty to recover the amount for the, in favor of bank. This is why we go sometimes to the client address, and sometime I go to the police station to execute the to execution of the warrant which was issued by the honorable court, and we can say concerned court, and we you know take help of the local police beat officer, we can say. And we go to the police station, and in police station there is a section of 5B. We go to the 5B and ask for the beat officer. I want to say you, beat officer is a guy, and beat officer is a officer who visit the local area, and in which area your client is resides, and the his address is verified or not. If you verify his address before the warrant date, you go to the police and meet the beat officer and ask for him help to execute the warrant. And sometimes police officers say yes, and sometimes say we don't have time. Now you are thinking ki how police official can say ki we don't have time, because of sometimes he you know I want to say कि his liability and their liability is to execute the warrant for only on priority in the jurisdiction court. ठीक है? If I went to the police station and his jurisdiction is not met at that time and that moment, they can say that we don't have time right now. Sometimes, if police officer is by nature is good and behavior is good, then we say okay, I will definitely help you to execution. But sometimes some police officer says we don't have time, I can't execute the warrant, and this is why. And then I you know came to home, and I watch reels. I am watching reels till now. Before 1 or 1.5 hours before, I am watching reels from that time. But now the call is, my senior is calling. I will write back.